Okay, and welcome to my vlog. This is entry number 12. I'm going to go ahead and get started quick. Just a quick recap. My last trade started April 9th and closed the 24th to the tune of $210. Pretty nice trade. This more recent one has been a little more challenging. My goal is still to double my money, and it's looking a little more hopeful now. You can see all my posts, the charts daily on Instagram. And definitely keep your energy up with Excess Energy Drink. Links in the description. It's my favorite energy drink. My current trade is looking a lot better today, but it's still giving me pause. So we definitely saw some strength today. This is a little bit different because normally I record this in the mornings, but now it's in the afternoon. The market's already closed. It closed up $1.44 today, moving up nicely. I got in back on the 26th. My goal is still to make $330. Hopefully it'll bounce off the 50-day exponential moving average and keep moving up, even if slowly. Just stair-stepping up is great. I just hope this downward move is done, otherwise it's gonna test our limits and our stop loss. So we're gonna keep in for now, and we'll see how this one turns out. I'll let you know. To learn my method, check it out on Udemy, or to follow every single trade at every single price point of when I get in and out, follow me on Patreon. There are only 8 spots left at the cheapest tier, so get a hold of those before they're all gone. And as always, don't look for a fair fight.